Hey, so this is me just recording on my old junky original GoPro Hero. What I wanted to do today was talk a little bit about how the little stove that's been making its way around, and as far as cost goes, on Facebook and on Amazon, or whatever. This guy, I want to talk a little bit about a few things. First off, how it weighs, how it does, do kind of a little bit of a field report. I've used this thing a couple times. And then I also wanted to kind of talk a little bit about its efficiency. So, let's go ahead and see how much it weighs. Now mine's a little bit different. If you can see, I took off the sparker, little piezo ignition from mine, because they never work and I always just end up using a lighter. So anyways, this guy right now, 2.92 ounces with that piezo ignition off. That is a total of 83 grams. I'm going to be doing two things today. We're going to boil once in a titanium Snow Peak for something with a little bit smaller base, and then I wanted you guys to see how something with a little bit larger base works. We're just going to use this aluminum pot that I've had forever. Going to be using my Jetboil canister. This thing weighs 3.5 ounces to start with, so talk a little bit about efficiency here. See how much we use per boil. Oh, I guess it weighs a lot more than that. 4.03 ounces. That's probably talking to how much isobutane it's got in it. So 4.03. Let's move you guys over here. Hopefully no one's getting dizzy. We'll put you right there. So something that I notice when I use this thing is anytime you put it on, you gotta put it on kind of fast, because so anytime you put this thing on, you gotta put it on kind of fast, because it always ends up leaking a little bit. So you hear that? So from here, we'll start out with the Snow Peak, and I'm gonna put the regular amount that I use, which is about 1.5 cups, into this Snow Peak right here. So that fills it up about 3/4 of the way, maybe a little bit over half, something like that. I'm super scientific. This water was at 60 degrees is what my kettle said. It starts up real nice. We're getting to a boil right now, so I haven't been timing that thing at all. But let's turn this off. Take that guy off. Take that guy off. So we had 4.0 something ounces last time. So there we go. At call it 4 ounces. That leaves you with 3.79 ounces left. So yeah, not a horrible amount of efficiency. Not as good as a Jetboil would be, but not too bad on that little goofy pot. So let's try it with this big one now. These are rather hot, as you probably could have guessed. And then we'll I'll have to move you guys up here just a little bit. Sorry. There we are. My old Hero kind of sucks for battery life. Gone through half of it just doing this video. So there we go. 1.5 cups again. Now, I expect this will boil a little bit faster, purely because it's got more base to go off of. But let's find out. Alright. There we go, full on boil. So let's take a look at how that worked out. The last one with the little titanium mug, we ended up using 0.21 ounces of fuel. So, coming from 3.79 ounces, see how we did. So we're at 3.57, so that's just about the same actually.
What are you making? What are you making?
I'm making a little video about my little stove that I got here. This guy, don't touch it, it's hot. Okay?
Okay.
So alright, perfect timing. Carmen's bleeding.